Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to Kraken farm GPO. First, understand that successful Kraken farming requires preparation and teamwork. You'll want to identify the best sea zones where Krakens frequently appear. Equipping your character with high-damage weapons and abilities is crucial for quickly defeating these formidable beasts. Consider forming a party with other players to boost your farming speed and ensure you can handle the challenge. Choosing the right gear significantly impacts your farming success. Prioritize weapons that deal substantial damage, especially those with area of effect capabilities to hit multiple tentacles. Equipping armor that offers strong defense against sea monster attacks will help you survive longer in battle. Don't forget to use any stat-boosting fruits or potions you have to maximize your combat effectiveness before engaging a Kraken. When engaging a Kraken, strategic combat is key. Aim your most powerful attacks at the Kraken's head to deal critical damage and shorten the fight. Be vigilant and actively dodge or block its devastating tentacle slams and blinding ink attacks. Save your ultimate abilities for moments when the Kraken is stunned or vulnerable, ensuring maximum impact and a quicker defeat. To maximize your rewards, focus on defeating Krakens as swiftly as possible, as this can influence drop rates. Always be sure to collect all dropped items immediately after a defeat to prevent them from despawning. Remember, consistent farming yields the best results over time. Also, for some great deals and that awesome sock link, make sure to check out the description below this video. Keep up the grind and enjoy your loot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.